Hi, I'm so excited. My favorite clean company is having this Black Friday sale starting Monday, November 17th through Friday, November 21st. I love supporting my family in a natural way, in a clean way with essential oils. And Young Living, my favorite company, is having its huge sale. So many of the everyone's favorite essential oils and supplements are 30 to 35% off. So let me tell you what I'm going to be getting. And these are, I can't believe the great deals. I'm going to be able to support my family one drop at a time with these lovely guys. And I love DIYing because I know exactly what's in the products and it's so much cheaper. I could customize it. I also love making DIY Christmas gifts. It's special because it's customized, it's homemade, and it's super easy. My kids help. And I just use a few drops. So let me tell you, okay, if you need any support with emotions, stress, happiness during this season, okay, look at all of these babies that are on sale. Lavender, Stress Away. Oh, I love that one. Frankincense, Peace and Calming, Valor. But they have other uses as well. Oh, I forgot about Joy. It's so sweet. It's like a perfume. That one I love. Now, even orange and lemon support your emotions and just they're like happiness, sunshine in a bottle. But these are also good for wellness. So frankincense, amazing for wellness. Thieves is on sale, a must have. Lemon and orange are also really good for wellness as well as peppermint and Breathe Again, really helpful. And another thing, your skin support. My girls and I love, even my husband loves using frankincense for helping with anti-aging and wrinkles, scarring, acne. Lemon and orange are also good for that. And of course, lavender is everything about skin. You need that. I'm just brushing the surface on these. Every single day, I probably use lavender, frankincense, and peppermint. Peppermint is the most versatile oil. You need this. And I love making candy cane sugar scrubs. They're so cute. Everyone will love them. Teachers, neighbors, friends, family. A couple other of my go-to oils I use every day and are on sale is this Deep Relief Roller. Any aches and pains, sore muscles, you can roll it on. I keep it in my purse. And I love this Progestins Plus. It's a serum for supporting and balancing your hormones. All women, any girls in our teens and up definitely needs this. I put it on every single night and it's really helped me. Okay, so if you want to know a little bit more about the uses and how practical they are, I have a link that I'll include that tells you how to use these oils and the great sale. So I hope you take advantage of this and support your family with natural plant-based products. And I'd love to help too.